Alright, today in this video I'm going to introduce you a Chinese grammar 叠词. It sounds a little bit difficult and hard to understand, but actually it's very easy. It's super easy to be used and can improve your Chinese level when you simply say twice of Chinese words or Chinese phrase. So what is the 叠词? 叠词 is actually you just simply repeat two same Chinese character or two same Chinese phrase, and then you have this 叠词. So first we see how to use 叠词 in noun. We see this example. 猫猫. Mao is cat, this sweet little animals, but actually we can hear people say 猫猫. We see this example. 小猫猫刚出生，请轻轻地抓它。小猫猫刚出生，请轻轻地抓它。Which means little kitty is just born. Do grab it very, very gently, please. Of course, you can see 小猫 or 猫, but it's not so sweet, not so cute. But if you say 小猫猫, which means this cat is very small and very sweet, really cutie, you can have this feeling. It's not cat anymore, it's a kitty in English. And also we can say 宝宝宝宝花花花花狗狗狗狗. And all these 叠词 expressions have similar meaning and effect, that this thing is smaller, fine, sweet, and need you to give love, to take care of them, okay? And here we need to pay attention to second character, because the second character in 叠词 will always to changed to be first tone. For example, 猫猫, because 猫 is the first tone, so second character is still 猫. But this 宝宝 宝 is third tone, but second character should be changed to be 包. So the pronunciation is 包包包包. The similar is here. 狗 狗 is the third tone, 狗, but second character should be pronounced to be 勾. So 狗勾. And 花 is like the first 猫猫 because it is the first tone, and second is still first tone. Okay. And second is adjective. So we can see this example. 美美的吃，美美的吃. Of course, you can say 吃得很美, but if you have this 叠词美美的吃, which can increase the extent, and also it's a daily use language, it's very common. We can see this example. 今天的菜真多，我可以美美的吃一顿。今天的菜真多，我可以美美的吃一顿。Which means there are so many dishes today I can really enjoy. We have also here 轻轻地放，轻放, which means you put something very lightly, but it's quite general. It cannot have this image in your brain. You cannot imagine it. But if you say 轻轻地放, which means you put this thing very carefully and put it there so lightly. You can imagine it. You can have this feeling. It's different. And also here, 狠狠地打，狠狠地打. So people can say 狠打, but 狠打 is only hit hardly. It's very general expression. But if you say 狠狠地打, which means you hit it hardly and fiercely, and again again, again. So I think you can have this feeling and have this image in your brain. And also this 慢慢地走. I think you can try to think about this by yourself. And third is mirror word. And mirror word, when we have this 叠词 in mirror word, the meaning will be changed. You should pay attention to this. We see this yíliàngliàng车. So when we see 一辆车, which means only one car, but if we say yíliàngliàng车, the meaning will be different. It means many cars. We see this example. 路上一辆辆车开得飞快。路上一辆辆车开得飞快, which means many cars on road are driven really fast. And also we have this example, 一个个人. So when we say 一个人, it's one person, but 一个个人 is many person. Okay, you pay attention. 一堆堆垃圾, many pails of garbage. It's not only one pail, it's many pails. 一匹匹马, which means many horses, not one horse. Okay. And now we learn about this verb in 叠词. So 4.1, we see this example, 聊聊聊聊想想想想看看看看. So when we use 叠词 in verb, which have the meaning of asking for something politely and not deeply engage and lightly. 聊 is to chat, to have conversation. But if you have 聊聊, this chat or conversation is not so serious. It's just have a chat. You can understand. We have this example. 我和你聊聊天儿，时间不长。我和你聊聊天儿，时间不长。I would like to have a chat. It doesn't take long. So I think you can have this feeling. 聊聊天儿 is very free time, just talking about something not so serious, not very big issues, things like that. And also this 想想 have similar meaning. If you only see one Chinese character 想, it's quite official, it's very general. But if you say 想想, it's just let me think about it. You can wait a minute. Let me 想想. And also 看看 have the similar image here. You just want to have a look. It's not just to sit very carefully, deeply, and a long time. Okay? And here we also need to pay attention to the tone of the second character. The second character will be changed to be untone. So we pay attention to this 聊 is the second tone. But 聊聊, the second character will be untoned. So 聊聊. 想 is third tone, but second character will be untoned. 想象想象看看看看. So pay attention to second tone. Second character will always be untoned. So 4.2, sometimes we also have this 叠词 in verb, but it meaning repeat again and again. So we see this example, 跑跑步跑跑步. The example is 我经常跑跑步我经常跑跑步, which means I go jogging very often. 跑跑步 here means to have this jogging very regularly and often do these things. And also similar is 打打球, which means to play basketball or some other sports again and again. It's not only one time. And also 做饭, which means cook. but not one-time cook. It's maybe every day just have to cook and something like this. And also here it's similar, you need to pay attention to the tone of the second character. The second character will be untoned. 跑步 跑 is third tone, but second character will be untoned. 跑步 打球 做饭 So here we have a summary. The first, I think in this video we learn how to understand and use 叠词 in noun, adjective, and mirror word and verb. And second, we should pay attention to the pronunciation, especially in nouns and verbs will be changed, especially for the second same character. And third, do use it in daily life because it's very easy and can easily improve your language skill. So that's all for this video, and thank you for watching, and do subscribe my channel to support me because we can do it better together.